Happy Monday. Yo, this 2 videos. Y'all tripping. Anyway, so I thought I would come on today and talk a little bit about cleansing our mind. Now, there's a whole lot of things about cleansing our mind. You can take that where you want to, but today we're talking about the idea of cleansing our minds when our minds are cluttered. Anyway, so I want to offer one simple maybe exercise that may be helpful to us when we feel that our mind is really cluttered. Now, this is going to sound kind of like what? But most of us know this is true when you practice this one thing. And that is to clean your space whenever your mind is cluttered. Too often I find myself when my mind is like, what is happening? Often my bedroom is messy. My office space is not how I usually have it. Things are a little bit scattered all over the place. And I often find that when I clean my space, I feel a lot better when it's done. I feel like, okay, I'm organized and I'm ready to get down to the business of getting down with the business. And so if you find yourself a little cluttered and you need a little cleansing in your life, often that cleansing is cleaning your space. Now, you ain't got to clean everything, but sometimes it's often where we spend time or maybe our bedroom space, because usually we sleep there, and if it's cluttered, we get cluttered, we feel that energy. And so I offer to you, if you're feeling a little befuddled, a little not clear about things, cleanse your mind by cleaning your room. Amen? Yes. Won't he do it? Anyway, as always, like, subscribe, and share. And I maybe will see y'all next week.